Throw. Oh, go, go. Go get your ball. Throw. Throw. Yeah. Go. Go. Throw. Yes. Go. Go. Throw. Go. Go. Throw. Go. Hey, look for the ball. Throw. Throw. Go.
He's getting tired.
Go. Go.
He wants to jump off this and catch it.
You want me to throw?
Jump. Can you throw it from up there? Not bad. He's trying to beat you to it.
Throw. Go.
He's got to learn
Go.
to catch.
Go.
He wants it on his belly. Don't hit him in the
You want it
face.
in your belly?
Right here, on
Put your
me,
hands out.
on me.
Put your hands out.
Put your hands up.
out. Catch.
It's stuck? Can you do it? Sounds like you got your hand on it. Now what? Hi, Jade.
Throw. Oh. Go. Go. Go.
Yeah, we're stuck in on a nice snowy Sunday. December 20, what, 2nd? No, 21st? Get ready, less than a week till Christmas. 20th.
Logan, throw it. Throw. Oof.
How does he lead with his arm? Did you teach him that?
Catch. Where'd you want it? Where'd you want it? Catch. Hands out. Put your hands out.
All done. Say bye-bye, Logan. Logan, you say bye-bye to the camera? Not at the tree. Whoa, we're done. Yeah. Bye.
I see.